Me I want to worry if you go no. People, I got a call. I got a call. Tina come here at speaking to Tina now. No keep on yourself thing there. I got a call. Da dee. Then me say nearly most me want liar fee. People, let me tell you no same thing. All director did in the meeting too. None of owner, but at least the whole Delta and the whole airline is mourning them for because the lady is such a nice lady. Anyway, then Tina, you couldn't boil like a bush and give your father where you drag the old man. All that two people me I want tour if you go about me I watch it first. Me get a call Brooklyn. Me go to the inn Brooklyn. Somebody call me from Brooklyn, a man. Just as me go come on live, me see the phone number and I take the call. May I drink me chocolate before me tell you. Tandere, me say me get a call. Hey, man, me get a call from, and it's pertaining to Tina. What I wanna tell you the man, but you not to tell me which one call me. You not have it. Backside, Kalina, yes, girl. I got a call from Milton McLeod. Well, people, I have to go stop call Mr. McLeod, call her Mrs. McLeod. Because Mr. McLeod divorced Tina from 2016. Tina. Ooh, yo, should I say this, Lord? Lord, prepare me to read up this thing here. Because I said, Tina, it no look good. It no look good at all, Tina. When Mr. McLeod said to me, it no look good and it no sound good. Me nah go tell you everything out here. But it no sound good. So me can't stop calling her Mrs. McLeod now because me say her friend 20. Me they go talk some of course. You think me a idiot, me a chat some out here for me not keep secret for thinking Tina. So we have to go stop calling her Mrs. McLeod now because they say her name is should Mr. McLeod divorce her from 2016. Me keeping calm, me love, me keeping calm, me calm. Me only shock. Of course, me I go talk. Me going to talk. But the message is not for Uno too damn enough. The message is for Tina. So I'm going to give Tina the front seat. Tina, come here. I was minding my own business to come on live and to deal with you about the TikTok live that you do and the post that you're making. Mr. McLeod call me to Mr. McLeod call me to clear him name, to take off him name off of Tina because him divorced her from 2016. Then he proceed to tell me this. Lord, I don't know I'm going to give Tina this news here. Tina, come here. Tina. So, yeah. Mr. McLeod saying divorce Tina. People. So me now go call her no Tina Marian Walters McLeod no more because she divorced, the man divorced her from 2016. But it look like say everything with Tina do stagnant. A dada do and some plant piece of can down a gully for sing. Mr. McLeod, how me I go tell you no this you know? Mr. McLeod must hear the part where Mr. McLeod says, "Safe from Tina, no more sorrow and no more pain." People, when one man can tell you, say, he knock up one woman a serious thing that Tina, so me buy ya, so me a sell it. Mr. McLeod tell me say, Mr. McLeod tell me say, you make him believe, say Satan depend hurt. And me say so, me only attack when Mr. McLeod say, Mark woman and put in a man and take out me only I go hold back some. Milton McLeod, the man named Milton McLeod. Can me did hear about the McLeod of this man, me find out for him, a Milton McLeod. People, but Tina, you going like say, come here. Come here. Tina, I know the when they grab you. I know when they grab you over BVI Island. Tina, you's a dealer. Tina, you's a trafficker. And Milton McLeod tell me so anything me a go in a quarter I mean call Milton pa my phone come in and know people number. And Milton call me and when Milton say me they come out here come tell you. Milton McLeod say, you is one of the nastiest and the liarest and the dirty. Milton McLeod say, until now you take it. Mark what people in man another or the man or thing there. The man say you're seeking too much. And me say so a Milton McLeod tell me so. So me a carry come like oh you carry. Milton McLeod say me fi make sure say you go down. Are your man ex-man or your husband or whatsoever inside divorce you from 2016. Long time she doing it. Cause me have a biggest story. I don't know if it are telling you this story. Me I one day me should have go sleep on here and come back. Because I say Milton did have a mouthful and it's not a nice mouthful. Lord, I don't know if it are telling you this story. Them a story who make time come take down me tent before. Tina Milton say, but Milton I hear about Tina to people. Me a watch something cause me did hear it already and me hear Milton with it. Me did hear Milton, me did hear it already. If somebody tell me about it, one of them there, and me hear Milton with it now. So it look like Milton. We are pray for Jamaica, and we are pray for Tina to come in. I don't know when time I bust it and news upon him. Me don't know when he hears say Milton. Milton saying divorce Tina from 2016. And Milton saying Claude Tina, but Tina, you're workless. You're workless. Who the pan here? I want somebody go dig up for me. Cause me da call a lady we could dig up for me, but she not about. Me no get time. I want to go look if at no time Tina did live down in Georgia. People, Milton McLeod tell me say, him and Tina did there. And them did a deal and I do that little sin thing there. How big news them yeah? If you know say me think I only went and the Rasta man push up the substance under the girl. The story better than the hurricane. Because all Tina no wonder how Tina love her daddy so. No wonder how Tina love fear her daddy so. No wonder how. When my heart, me shock, Oh, cause suppose me hear somebody and not the man say, you call up my name part Kingston 13, you know who this? I said no. Though you call up my name part social media, you don't know me. Hear me with me enough self. I Swissly murderous! Another day, yeah. In your father crosses. Down to the father. Down to the father. Me telling her the show, but come here, Tina. I want Tina daddy here too. This is why me tell her you have to know who work for the army, because me tell me people a long time. Tina, me go tell her why the man don't like Tina. Tina no have no ambition. Tina, Mr. McLeod say you not no ambition. Milton McLeod say you not no ambition. People, Mr. McLeod, Milton McLeod tell me say, when he know Tina, then did I do that thing, then did I deal. If you not understand, I want the junker then go report my life. So, them buy one house because him say him couldn't buy the house because him a dealer. Tina couldn't buy the house, they never want to take a chance. Tina couldn't buy the house neither because Tina no have no good credit number one, and Tina in the same business with him because of the in wife. Then proceed to buy a house down in Georgia there. Atlanta, Georgia, Atlanta, but the house buy down the sun, they can go dig up Tina. Then buy a house, but then buy the house in the daddy name. In the daddy name. Mr. McLeod, Milton McLeod tell me say then grab him. Cause you know when they do that work, they then grab you anytime. People, Mr. McLeod said the place did buy in a Tina father name. No, you tell me no. That's why that bitch love her father, so him is a appalling man. No wonder, that's why he is a appalling daddy. You old man, you know your daughter, your son-in-law now work. You know say them a deal. I have take the house now your name. So when Mr. McLeod go work house now, neither Tina nor her workless father could have paid for the house. Neither Tina nor her workless daddy could have paid for the house. And the house going for a foreclosure bank take the house. That nasty, dirty woman for a long time. Tina a dealer. Everything with Tina do stagnant. Down to the illegal substance business. And Mr. McLeod said don't call up his name with Tina name. Because he said from 2016 he said Tina nasty. He said Tina that. He said when time he told me the man say all I'm friend them Tina's when in there in a lockup there. When in there in a lockup and said Tina lie. Him say Tina they telling him frightened. When then take where the house in losing money. Neither Tina nor Tina daddy. A man said Tina lazy and nasty. Tina no love work. The man said Tina no have no ambition. None. And he say a so Tina lion wicked and love play the victim. That's why the man saying what the shit out there. But the part when I sit well with me, a whole Tina father we did in the army make illegal money, dirty money, corruption money, buy house in a him name. Buy house in a him name. A man were in the army. A man were in the army. Tina no paid him, daddy no pay. Tina no do not make them foreclose on the house. The man said Tina workless. The man say a clap up that. Nearly take it life. He just get fed up her. The man say she lie, she nasty, she doggy. The man said the woman take it. The man said Tina making her no feelings no more woman. The man said it pan hurt ya. A Tina make him believe said devil de pan hurt. Mr. McLeod said, remember, and Mr. McLeod used to sleep with your head palm pillar. Mr. McLeod said, Tina, when near man drink with you and make you lose your life and sit down and I wonder what and I ask what. And Mr. McLeod said, son of me. Mr. McLeod said the worst somebody him ever meet a Tina. When me proceed to ask Mr. McLeod if him ever see her, Mr. McLeod said him no want see she. I saw she go for 99 contracts them a long time. I saw she go whole heap of thing. Alright. Whole heap of things Tina do. Whole heap. The man said the amount of somebody where Tina send home a Jamaica. Let me tell you how Tina stay. And him say when him just get in with Tina him here, you know. And him say until when Tina send them off for him. Him say until when Tina, the man say him don't even know. If I not Tina, they sending her jail the time. The man said Tina, we know say Tina we hear you say, you know the whole of them in the man tell me I never me. And people, me only repeating what was said to me. Let's say you don't know already. Because if I tell you the truth, you know, people, if you don't want to tell me, I used to sell the liquor when me there at Jamaica. When me there at Jamaica, you know, you used to sell the good old Westmoreland stuff there, you know. And then at time, I travel, you know, man. I fling it up with me. You don't know already, I go it off, because me that feel left 110 down here. You know, I don't know no little things there already, and a little thing I have to stash out. You know, already money I have to make. And you will say to a man, say, you are 20, me buy, you know, and it done already, you know. Because once you do the business there, and you have your thing from West, and you don't know already, me friendly, me know everybody, and sitting and go through. You have to know if you live, and my granny me learned that from. Yeah, man, my grandmother me learned that from, man. You have to know if you live. You have to be the lawyer, the doctor, the druggist. You have to be every God Almighty thing. You have to street. And the man said she will hear somebody sell something. You know, we tell her, so them sell. And remember, by night done, I will say them get in. The place get shut down. You not gonna believe, say, you and your woman do that thing there. A Milton tell me that to no people. You not gonna believe, say, you and the man, you not gonna believe that. How then after when it take the man realize, say, you're a wicked. But when you have do that, Tina, you not have no tight, you a fool. You not have one bank book with one money hide off, lock off. You not have a bank book. Your man gone to jail, you should have can hold off the base and pay for the mortgage and hold off the turf till the man come. Me send the food go give me, you cook go give your father. Cause since I ain't call me once somebody can chat, I made have to help chat him with you. Me the man say you're nasty, Tina. The man say you're very nasty. The man say anyway. The man say anyway you take off your drawers a date lie. The man say if I know him or your father, you used to have to clean up the place. You don't want to do nothing. Nothing you don't want to do. But drink and live big life. The man say I saw you always in the people with people. The man say you're there on social media now. I know me can't believe this. Tina, Mr. Milton have nothing good. You know some people that say bad. The man say not, the man have nothing good to say about you. The man say you're lazy, you're nasty, you lie, you're wicked, you're walkly. The man, Tina, me not tell a lie. That you call, boy, me don't know if you call it. The man said, don't call his name with you. Kind divorce you from 2016. Him not have nothing to do with you. Nothing to do with you. Your husband say he's a Satan. Your husband say he's a Satan. Milton, speak up. Milton say you're wicked. Milton say you're evil. Tina, remember you and Milton used to sleep on me. Milton say you're bad mind. Milton say you lie because I'm Milton know he look like somebody can Milton say. Milton explain to me people. People know me understand. Man get Medicaid at 62 and woman get, why Milton know the law and woman get it at 70. So the Medicaid come ask Milton, so what about Tina, why you name off your father food stamp and social security where the man a get? So now the 4,000 add clap because Milton said Tina father supposed to get 4,000 at a month time. Now it clap. And Milton tell me say people because me ask question you know when me not understand. Milton tell me say Tina is her father carer, so she get the social security and the food stamp. Tina, come here. Then at the really the money you draw the man gonna Starbucks is a evil girl. Mighty God. Hamilton explained the situation to me but nicely about the Medicaid. Cause hear me now with for me wicked self no. Maybe she have to pay the nurse. Milton said no. Once the man have the Medicaid was like when he did in the army, it would have cover but he still get the food stamp and he still getting social security. And a Tina have the card. Me don't know how she not take you on yet. I don't know how she not take you on yet. Yeah, but Tina did a scam, plus Tina and Milton say like oh she go and somebody they tell me that like how she have the felony, then give she one little money but that and how much are the father at the big income. And the father, the big in they can know. Say Milton used to money. Cause yeah, Milton I go come tell me say 4,000. When me say wow. When Milton say her father get about 4,000, me say wow. That Milton said that no money. Milton said that is no money, my love. Milton said that no money. Me a reporter and me a report the award. You no worry, me a reporter. Since she write letter and go, we can do it too. But me say, I am very glad Mr. McLeod could reach out to me to make me know better at this. Me say Mr. McLeod now have nothing good. He don't have nothing good to say about her. Nothing good. You know somebody that say the man said no, the man and not no good. The man say she nasty and she always a play victim and love ball. Man say him couldn't take it no more and just clap the shit out her and move and go about in business. When me ask the man if he ever see her funny man I left, the man say he don't want she that's why he don't go places where she go. Cause he say I one life she have one routine. And him say so when people that tell him but when him realize himself and everything come back. Man say a whole heap of people Tina carry down. Whole heap. Tina, you wicked. What the woman do you feel make the woman lose her job? The woman not even did that do live. The woman never trouble you. All because you eat Miss D. You're wicked, you know. You're wicked, you know. And your conscience about you with a woman. No, I know them the car. She borrow trust the car and look like she not pay for the car note. Cause then they lock up the car upon the drunk current and she da talk about a battery. So I daughter car share back drive. Cause she not like pay bills. All Tina daddy had one yam off him father social security and him father food stamp a month time. Notice when Tina go up there, the man say notice when Tina go amount when the money collect. That time she never know about her father when the money near for Joe. She not pay for the car, them have to take it back. I doubt if Tina, do part Tina live, at $200 she give the woman cause she help to take care of the woman. Tina, I don't know what Tina do with money. Tina is one drunker. Sorry, God forgive me and pardon. One dirty nasty drunker. And one day you come out here and talk about other people and people who help. It's a long time you make it look like say you did come. But you say you did work at this and you did work at this. So when the man gone, what you did that do? You never continue with the business. Why you make them foreclose from the house drunker? You should exploit the 6 man for PR bill. And get up this morning and drag a poor old man. Before she make the man some tea and some porridge and some something. Drag the poor old man carrying gun a Starbucks. Gonna full up the poor man a trash. What a wicked drunker. Well, Milton say, you know, no ambition. Milton say, you're wicked, so all who could I hear now and say all Latina people them. Milton never hide saying clap the shit out her. Milton say Tina nasty. Tina lie. Tina wicked. Tina love play victim. The man make sure saying divorce your nasty ass in a 2016. Any of people, I don't know if I go come back later. Bless upon yourself.